Hello guys, I welcome you today on my channel. Today I got a 4G Ultra HD dual lens solar PTZ camera I want to show you how to install/setup. Here's the camera solar panel, for sun charge. We have the memory card, for storage. The installation manual guide. This for removing SIM card and memory card. The solar panel stand. Here is the dual lens solar camera. With one less rotatable and the other fixed. Here is the two antenna, and this is the camera mounting base. To get started, locate the memory card and SIM card port. Remove the memory card from the package and insert in the camera, together with the SIM card. And power on. Wait. For the camera to finish booting. When installing it first time, it's advisable to reset the camera. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds for a reset. You will hear a voice prompt that the camera is successfully reset. Then wait for the red blinking light to turn steady blue. Then with your mobile phone, download the camera app and register it with your email and password. The name of this camera app is Ubox. If you already have the app on your phone, open the app and click on the plus sign at upper right hand side. Or click on Add Device to scan the QR code on the camera for setup. You can change the device name to your name of choice. Then click Finish. Your device is successfully installed. Tap on the screen to start viewing and controlling the camera. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any question, leave them in the comments section below. We are here to help.